With all of the beautiful things that the Lord sent in my life, those experiences cannot match what I have now with Jesus Christ, Yeshua HaMashiach. I was just thinking of how I opened up for Dick Gregory once at Cal U in California, Pennsylvania, and he was one of the most wisest and most renowned persons known to man. God put me in his path as a testimony. I thank God for being able to sing for Mr. Gregory, and he complimented me on it as well. But nothing can replace the joy that I have in serving the King of all kings, the Lord of all lords, Almighty God, Creator, and God of the universe. Notice I didn't call the universe a God. Yahweh is the King of the universe, and neither do I give it a capital U. My question to you is, got Jesus? Have a blessed day.